Hello guys, in this video lecture we are going to discuss express decimal numbers as rational numbers. You can see that there are 3 decimal numbers. Now what you have to do here, you need to convert these decimal numbers into rational numbers. As you know, what are the rational numbers? Integer by integer fractional form is rational number. As there is this decimal point, you need to remove this decimal point so that you can convert this form into integer by integer fractional form. Now let's take our first question, which is 0.39. So what you'll do here, to remove the decimal point, you know that how many digits are there after decimal point? There are 2 decimal digits after the decimal point. So what you'll do, this is 39 in numerator. After removing the decimal point, as you know, there are 2 decimal digits after the decimal points. That's why there will be 2 zeros in the denominator. Now you can see here that this is the integer, this is also an integer. That's why this form is an integer by integer fractional form, which is also known as rational number. Now let's take our second question, which is 9.90. Now again you can see that there are 2 decimal digits after the decimal point. Here this is the decimal point here. So there are 2 decimal digits after the decimal point. So what can you write? 990 divided by 100. Why 100? Because there are 2 decimal digits. At first place it is 9 and second place it is 0. So that's why there are 2 zeros. 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, and what you'll get? You'll get 99 divided by 10. So this is a rational number. Now let's take our third question, which is 7.010. So to remove this decimal point, what you'll do first? Let's count the decimal digits after the decimal point. So how many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 decimal digits after the decimal point. So how many zeros will be there in the denominator? Of course 3 zeros, as there are 3 decimal digits. So 7010 divided by 1000. After removing the decimal point, this would be the representation of this decimal number. As 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, now what you'll get? Reducible form will be 701 divided by 100. So this would be the rational form of this decimal number. I hope you understood this quite well. I'll be taking more problems like this in the next video lecture. Thank you.